1966 Mustang, fog lights, 302 engine, running good. BF Goodrich all the way around in excellent condition. T5 transmission, retro radio, pony interior, front and back. New headliner, new rear end, new music, fresh exhaust. You got your tail fin on the back here. Scott Drake tail cap. We got, once again, that interior. Take a look at him. Yeah, that part right there. 5-speed, fog lights, new suspension, rebuilt transmission, rebuilt rear end, new axles, disc brakes in the front. Get up and go anywhere you want to go. Rally pack. Take that music off pause. Where we at? That part. If you need it, let me know.